How to analyze trade logs. That's a topic for discussion today in the episode 22 of How to Become a Successful Trader from Market Secrets. So let's get started with today's session. How to analyze trade logs and what is its importance. Your results tell you a lot. Where you should be cutting your losses, whether your position size is too big or too small, whether you are improving or you are doing worse than you have been historically, and how much you are deviating from your goal. However, to see these insights, you must track your trading stats. The trade log or the spreadsheet you maintain is more than just a record of past performances to glance at every now and then. It is a precise guide for handling your next trades. When you know your numbers, you will weigh the impact of every trade against your own records. Your records will literally make their way into your trading and will guide you. Every time you are about to make a trade, an alarm should go off in your head and should ask you, how is this going to look on my spreadsheet? If you are taking too much risk on this newly planned trade, you will immediately realize this will leave a big red in your spreadsheet if things go wrong, and you will have to look at this big loss every time you review your trade log. So this fear of unnecessary big loss will make you avoid taking the high risk, low reward trade. In addition to the average winners and losers that we discussed in the last episode, you can track few other data as well, like the largest winner, the largest loser, the longest winning streak, and the longest losing streak, etc. If your largest gainers are smaller than your largest losers on average, this means you are stubbornly holding losses and only taking small profits, the exact opposite of what you should be doing. This is valuable information, but few traders even track these numbers. Tracking these data will keep you honest and will give you true metrics of what is happening with your trading. This is the discipline of professional traders. They want to know the truth so that they can improve on their weakness and optimize their efforts. Their trade log will serve this purpose by giving them insights into their trades without rationalizing or without giving any excuses. They will just log the results and do the math. The truth of why they are failing or falling short will be exposed. The most important reason to study your results is for the insight you will gain into yourself. Just as people have different thresholds for physical pain, the same goes for your emotional thresholds when enduring losses or controlling greed. These emotional triggers are what dominate your trading strategy more than anything. Therefore, your results are net of everything. Your strategy, your execution, your commission, and your emotion. The numbers you see on your spreadsheet are produced by everything that goes into your trading, including your emotions. What matters, therefore, is the ultimate number. Your results at the end of the week or the month and not the individual trades. The more data you have from your trading results, the more significant it is. And the more likely your results will end up close to your assumptions over time. Closely tracking your own results allow you to keep a finger on the pulse of your trading. And lastly, they say knowledge is the power. Knowledge of your own trading will empower you, reinforce your emotional discipline, and will make you a better trader. So how about your trade logs? Are you using it just to plug in the numbers and you are forgetting about it forever? Or are you using it to gain insights? Are you tracking the various metrics that we discussed in the last episode and in this episode? Are you using it to know more about your trading and also more importantly, to know more about yourself? Well, only you can answer that question. So what are the metrics that you are tracking from your trade logs? Please drop it down in the comment section. Let's discuss about that as well. If you have any queries or comments about this episode, please drop it down in the comment section. We'll be happy to answer it. Hit the like button if you have liked this video and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we conduct live sessions. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.